At DESi, we make regional treats and make them accessible to urban, millennial and Gen Z customers.
Our products are made in rural India. We're using age-old traditional recipes. We do not add any flavors, preservatives and colors in these recipes.
We started in 2018 in January. We were in a small 1 BHK apartment. Today we have expanded to more than 8,000 square feet of manufacturing unit in Sira, where we employ more than 200 women. From a team size of 2 people, now we have moved on to a team size of 60 people. With the advent of marketplaces like Amazon, it becomes easier for young brands like us to have global ambitions.
So we are looking forward to launching our product through different Amazon marketplaces, Amazon UK, Middle East, Singapore, etc. And also to expose our products not just to the Indian crowd but to the global consumers.
It feels very exciting to be part of Amazon's Season 2 global selling Propel Accelerator, which will enable us to take our brand, which is DESi, to go global.